That CEX file is a trading report from the CEX.io cryptocurrency exchange. Transaction records documenting your digital asset activity for accounting or tax purposes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, analyze, or import these cryptocurrency trading data files. We're tackling this CEX file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. CEX files are trading report files from CEX.io, a cryptocurrency exchange platform. They contain transaction records including trade execution details, deposit and withdrawal histories, order fills timestamps, and fee calculations for cryptocurrency portfolio tracking and tax reporting. CEX.io trading reports typically use CSV format, with columns for transaction type, date time, cryptocurrency, pair amount, price fee, and total value. They record all exchange activity for the specified time period for financial record keeping and regulatory compliance. The core association for the CEX file points directly to Microsoft Excel, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows only supplies high-level attributes, so full access requires dedicated data processing software. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your CEX file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Excel first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If you still cannot open your CEX file, that is okay. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, opening the report. Open the CEX file in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. If the file uses CSV format, use File, then open and select the file. The spreadsheet will display all trading records with columns for transaction types, dates, amounts, prices, and fees organized chronologically. Next, analyzing trading activity. Use Excel or Google Sheets pivot tables and formulas to analyze your CEX.io trading data. Calculate total gains, losses, average entry prices, and fee totals across all transactions. Create charts to visualize trading volume and portfolio performance over the reporting period. Finally, tax reporting. Import CEX.io trading data into cryptocurrency tax software, such as CoinTracker, Coinly, or TaxBit. Upload the CEX report file, and the software will calculate capital gains, losses, and generate tax forms. Consult a tax professional for proper cryptocurrency tax reporting guidance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.